Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2016 Kubota L3301 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, show you everything that I see, tell you everything that I know, and then of course we'll fire it up, run it through its paces, show you the pins are tight all the way around, let you hear the engine, show you the four-wheel drive works, you know, lift the front end up, back up. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of ag equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for equipment find our videos and find our machines, and we truly, truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one is a 2016 L3301 OROPS four-wheel drive. It's got an Ansung 2545 front loader with skid steer mount quick attach. It's got an Ansung BK976 backhoe, hydro transmission, R1 tires, 153 hours. Here in a minute we'll crank it up and show you all the pins are very, very tight, and as we get up close to everything you'll see pretty straight machine. Nice bright orange paint here on the loader. Very, very straight. Taking a look at the front tire on this side, as you can see there, very deep tread depth. I'm going to say we're 90%. I think I'm being very fair there. Tread depth. Really no weather checking that I can see here. Maybe just a tiny little bit. You get real close. Maybe there is a little bit just starting there. Not bad at all. Looking at the front rim on this side, as you can see there, that orange paint is still nice and bright. A couple little chips in the paint around the edges. A couple little nicks down in the center on the dish there too, but nothing out of the ordinary there. Pretty darn nice. Coming back here, looking at the fender on this side, as you can see, a few paint chips here. The fenders are a little faded. Not awful, but they definitely have some fade. It's kind of probably hard for you guys to see, but they're faded here, especially on the tops of the fenders, but very straight. And that decal, that hydro decal, as you can see, there's kind of faded a little. This decal's peeling some, but very straight, no big dents or dings there. Underneath of the fenders, really good in there, nothing out of the ordinary. Looking at the rear tire on this side, again, very, very deep tread depth, as it should be with only 153 hours. No real weather checking to speak of here on this rear tire. And then as I step back here and take a look at the rim, as you can see there, that orange paint is nice and bright on the rim. Really, I'm not seeing any big scratches or nicks around the edges of the rim or anything on this side. Pretty darn nice. And then back here, looking at the backhoe, as you'll see here, very, very straight. Nothing that looks like it's been cracked or welded, obviously. Orange paint's very bright, as it should be. Outriggers all look good. Controls, seat. Backside of both fenders look good. This one maybe is just twisted just a little bit. Taking a look at the rear tire on this side, matches up really well to the other side. Lots of life left here in these tires. Again, I'm not really seeing any weather checking here on this rear tire. And the rim on this side, as you can see there, again, nice and bright orange paint. I'm not really seeing too many chips or nicks around the edges of the rim there either. And underneath that fender is good on this side, nice and bright underneath there. But the top sides of the fenders do have some fade, you can see here. The rest of the machine doesn't really show much fade, but the fenders do. Taking a good look at front tire on this side, again, very, very deep tread depth. And really not much weather checking to speak of here. Taking a good look at the front rim on this side, again, bright orange paint. A couple little nicks right there in the paint, nothing out of the ordinary. Loader arm on this side again, very straight. Bucket, no bows or dents or dings there. Grill guard is good. I actually already have that unlatched so I could get a good look up here. Headlights are good. That black mesh up here is good. I don't see any big cracks or anything in that. And taking a good look at the hood. Again, the orange paint on the hood is pretty darn bright. A couple little tiny chips. Oh, that's just a little speck of dirt there. A couple little scuffs here and there. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Let's see about popping this hood, taking a look underneath the engine. Okay. As you can see up here, very clean. Couple little dings in those fins right there on that cooler. Probably when somebody's changed the battery, they've bumped that. But the radiator fins back there look nice and straight. Bottom side of the hood, everything looks good underneath there. We'll go over to the side here and see what we can see on the side. Kind of hard to get in much closer here with this camera setup, but as you can see here, very clean, very dry. I don't see any oil or diesel or antifreeze running down the side of the block anywhere. Oil pan looks good. Front axle looks good. Go to the other side. Okay, as you can see, nice and clean. Very dry. Again, side of the block on this side is nice and clean. I'm not seeing any oil or diesel or antifreeze running down the side of the block on this side. Oil pan looks good down here. Front axle looks good. Take a look at the operator station. Steps in good shape here. Floorboard shows very little wear, as it should, with only 150 hours. Everything looks good there. Hydro pedal looks good. Brake pedals are good. 3-range hydro. 4-wheel drive lever. Taking a look at the seat. Seat looks good. Bottom cushion, I don't see any cuts or tears there in the bottom section. Same thing with the back. Everything looks good there. 3-point PTO. Loader controls. Oh, it's ticked over to 154. As you can see there, it was 153. We've run it around some here, testing stuff out. So hour meter works like it's supposed to. That cowl up here looks pretty good. Couple little scuff marks here and there, but all right, like I said, it's a 2016 L3301, 154 hours now. Lots of photos on our website. That's listed down below in the description. We'll get that hood shut. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video. If you have any questions, comment down below. We'll try to answer them for you.